Is this thing on? It says it's on. Yeah, it's recording. Okay, so I guess hello, planet YouTube or planet Earth. I've never done this before, so I hope people will go easy on comments that they were to write, I guess. I've never done this before. The only reason why I'm doing this is because I want to promote my company, which is massiveAV.ca. It's an audiovisual company. I'm trying to figure out all this YouTube stuff. I don't know if I'm going to figure it out, but I'm trying. So anyway, this is a quick video for an intro for the business. I want to promote the business. I want to promote the website, massiveAV.ca. We're basically a audiovisual company. We do installs. We do things like home theaters. We do boardroom installs where projector screens, stuff like that. We do digital signage. We would install those systems, security cameras for commercial sites or for homes. We do that. There's products on the website. They can go to the website, massiveAV.ca, to you can order products through there. You can book services there. You can book site assessments. You can book service calls. You can do all that on the website. Just check it out. In terms of the channel, if I'm doing things correctly, which I don't know if I am, I don't know if I can figure this YouTube stuff out. But anyway, my channel is called Mass, which is me. Sorry, I feel weird talking to myself. I've never done this before. This is so weird. So anyway, the channel is Mass. There's things that I want to do with the channel. I want to see how many views first that this video would get to see if there's any interest in my weird look or website or whatever, just to see if there's any interest or any views. I want to see how many views I get. There's things that I want to do with my channel, hopefully. Like I want to go live. My life is pretty weird. So if I were to go live, I think it would be pretty entertaining. So I like to go live with the Mass channel. If I'm on sites, I want to go live where you guys can write me or ask me questions live and I can answer them live on TV. This isn't TV, this is YouTube. I can go live where if I'm doing an install and we're running wire, for example, you guys can watch how I'm doing it. And then if you guys have questions, I guess you guys would have to comment or chat, or I think it is. You just ask me there and I guess I can answer the question. So I want to do stuff like that. I want to do the live stuff. The other stuff that I want to do, I don't know. Let's see how many. Let's just see. What did I do? Okay, so it's 4 minutes. So if I did things right, if you guys can subscribe, because that'll tell me that there is interest in it, I guess, or in my Mass channel. And then I can gauge from there whether if this is worth doing or not doing, or if I'm doing it right at least. But anyway, subscribe because that'll let me know, please. And I guess the views I'd have to look at. A lot of views, a lot of interest, right? A lot of subscribers, a lot of interest, right? And then I guess I would know like that because I don't know how to use the analytics. I gotta figure this YouTube stuff out. The easiest thing for me is if you guys subscribe because if I get larger numbers of subscribers, I would imagine there's interest, and I will do my next video. I guess we'll see. See you later, guys.